NCNA stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. So is NuCana stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And look, as the only person in this space has done this for 43,000 videos over 5 years, I have seen what's printing me money and what's not. Especially with this thing, it's very, very volatile. Like, it's going one crazy one day, then going the opposite the next. Currently just a bearish market, and I'm just like that. The likelihood that this thing keeps melting is very high. Therefore, if it makes sense and there is a double break, then sell side it is. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's how this is gonna look like for me. All I will be doing in the meantime is just keep waiting for rules until they're met. And yeah, that's ultimately how NuCana is looking like for me. This is obviously not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence. But if you want to get my money making emails and insights absolutely free, and just so you stay tuned so you don't miss out anything and get sauce for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.